Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this short video, I want to say a few words about the latest updates of Django Datta Able, which is quite a popular seed project provided by us. The latest version of the product comes with improved Docker, some changes that we've made on the code base where the assets and the templates are saved in the root of the directory just to facilitate the usage. And also the product now can be deployed on render without much efforts. So in this demonstration, I will use the product in two ways. The first thing, I will initiate a live deployment on render, and also in the meantime, I will start a product using Docker in my local environment. So let's initiate the live deployment. For newcomers, Render it's a Heroku-like deployment platform, but in my opinion, it's superior because it's more friendly for the beginners, and also automatize and also simplifies all the low-level configuration that we are usually forced to do for deployments. Let's access the blueprint section. We need to create here a new blueprint instance and simply drop the URL of the repository. Render detects the type of the project, and we just and the rest of the process is automatized. This is possible because this started, and also all other Flask, Django, and all our full stack starters comes with this YAML, which informs render the type of the product and other details that are required by the to have a successful deployment. Okay, now the deployment is started, so we can go back to the local setup and try to start a product using Docker. Of course, the first step is to clone the source code. Okay, once the sources are downloaded in our local file system, we just need to navigate in the root of the directory and type this command. Live deployment is flagged as being successful. Another thing is the fact that once deployed on render, basically the product has an active continuous integration, continuous deployment flow, which means once we update the code base and commit and save the sources, the changes are automatically reflected on the live instance. Let's access the product in the browser. So we can see here that the product is up and running. We can sign up, we can create users, and all should work as expected. Let's test the continuous deployment flow. So I will go back here to the source code, and I will update some information. Let's say this value, and just check out if a new deployment is triggered. Let's say I will put here a super value, and I will save the file. Let's go back to the render, and we can see here that a new deployment was triggered, and we can check out the progress here. Okay, in the meantime, let's go back to my local setup and check out the Docker progress. The product is up and running in the browser, so let's access the application. Once the Docker is up and running, the application can be accessed on this address, and we can check out the interface, create new users, and also access the private pages. Let's create a new user. If the user is successfully created, we are redirected to the sign-in page. And once the user is authenticated, of course, we can access all the private pages. Initially, for guest users, only the dashboard and the sign-in, sign-out are available. So, guys, this is the product. In my opinion, looks great. We have many pages, components, and also this persistent dark mode might be appealing to your users. Another thing that might be important is the license of this starter, which is open source, and based on the MIT license, the product can be used in commercial projects, or simply part of the code base can be moved to your projects without any restrictions. In case you want to use the design in a legacy or even a new Django project and you don't like the structure of this starter, simply use the theme and the design that styles the product, which comes from as a library with all the instructions provided here on the README. The style covers also the admin section reserved for super users, but all the pages and components are available for ordinary users. So feel free to take a look. In case anyone have issues, we provide free support. Just go access AppSeed, go to the support page, and send us an email or simply join Discord. Okay, let's go back to the live deployment and let's check out the new deployment. So previously we had this value, but the value was updated. So if we refresh the page, we should see the new value. So guys, this is the product. Is open source. Let us know what you think about the UI. In case anyone have issues, join the Discord and tell us what issue you faced during your development, and in all cases we will try to assist. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.